Hello, everyone. I'm Dan Mason, and I'm back with another ranting atheist who has lost their way. The antagonist is Il Juro, or should I say Il Juro 2, a YouTube atheist who loves to hear them self-talk. Here's my rebuttal, which dissects the logical weaknesses and fallacies in their argument. Their argument suffers from several critical weaknesses and logical missteps. Hello, Il Juro 2. First, you accuse the opposing view of lacking a valid and verifiably sound justification, but fail to present your own. To declare someone else's justification epistemologically moot without providing an alternative that meets your own rigid standard is self-defeating. You are holding the opposition to a level of proof you have not achieved yourself. This is an unfounded dismissal, not a refutation. Second, you are misusing the accusation of question begging. Question begging occurs when the conclusion is assumed in the premise. Yet, in this case, the response you are attacking did not necessarily assume its conclusion, but challenged yours on evidential grounds. To label a counter without a circular structure as question begging is simply incorrect. Third, you misunderstand the weight of an argument from consequence. It's true that consequences do not inherently determine truth. However, consequences can demonstrate the incoherence or unlivability of a belief system, which is valid grounds for rejecting it pragmatically. If hard solipsism leads to moral nihilism, relational absurdity, and the collapse of knowledge, those consequences reveal its uselessness as a worldview. We live life as though solipsism is false, and we trust shared experience because the opposite cannot sustain meaningful thought, language, or science. The pragmatic collapse matters. Fourth, you hide behind technical jargon, like epistemologically justified foundation, but fail to show what such a foundation would look like outside of mere speculation. You are arguing in abstraction without anchoring your claims in anything concrete or testable. Fifth, you misapply the criticism of circularity. While a circular argument is invalid by definition, not all appeals to foundational beliefs are circular. Some are axiomatic starting points, like the law of non-contradiction or the reliability of rational faculties. These are not circular. They are necessary preconditions for argument itself. Rejecting all first principles as circular makes reasoning impossible, including your own. In summary, your argument relies on dismissive assertions, misapplied fallacies, and an unrealistic demand for impossible certainty while offering no solid ground of your own. You are trapped in theoretical posturing and refuse to reckon with the practical collapse of your own position. Logic demands more than linguistic maneuvering. It requires coherence, livability, and honest engagement with reality. Your position fails on all three fronts. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the comments.